This is something I like to see. It's our friend Air Potato, and he was playing with Cactorama. You're a good boy, Air Potato. Get it. Get it. I really enjoy them continuing to play with their toys once they move out of the room. And here we have baby Dara Waverly in her cool little pants outfit with jeans and shoes. And Friday. Hey Friday, you just sitting there nicely? Wonderful. What an angel you aren't. But she certainly loves me. What a good girl. Here Potato's playing, and let's go find little Pee-wee. Where's Pee-wee? There's Pee-wee. Sitting on the top level of the cat tree. Near the window. Isn't that lovely? Hello, Pee-wee. You are beautiful and fluffy. Yes. Just gorgeous. As usual. Bye. What are you guys up to? Airplane ears? Swishy tail? Raised paw? Hey! Power paps? It's everything we've ever dreamed of. Oh, there's Pee-wee's airplane ears. It's boxing. Ow! What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? You're supposed to be best friends. Just kidding. This is very obviously playing. Keep going. It's a boxing match between two small cats. Pap. 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 And pap. Pap. Pretty funny. Get her, Air Potato. Just kidding. He's going to be huge soon and she won't be able to deal with him anymore, so she may as well win while she can. Pap. 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 So many paps. So many paps. Pap. 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 Oh, good shot, Air Potato. Get him, Pee-wee. Give him a little pap. There you go. Give him another little pap. There you go. Nice little pap. Paps. This fight has been going on quite a while. I think it's a welcome relief. Some comedy for my life. Baby Dara was struggling to snooze last night, so I had to stay up pretty late consoling her. We did finally get her down, but it was a long night. So to wake up to this is pretty funny. That's a long fight, guys. Are you going to put away those claws now? Are you going to keep going? Pap, pap, pap. You giving up yet, Air Potato? Have you had enough? She's still bigger than you. Won't be for long, but she's still bigger than you now. Anyway, looks like he's decided to move on and play with his toys. His favorite toy, the ball track. Pardon my toe. Aw, he's gonna lay with me. Very nice. Say bye, Air Potato. Bye. This morning, Friday's laying here, enjoying the bed. And Air Potato's testing his luck by laying 6 inches in front of her nose. And I think she's too tired of growling at him, so she's just letting it happen. You'll win her over eventually, Air Potato. Good work.